There is no way we can rely on federal mighty because, one, don't forget that we have done consultations throughout 31 local government of the state. We have consulted all the traditional politicians in the state. We have consulted women, we have consulted men, we have consulted the youth. And we are working and we will continue to work here until we have the opportunity to be the governor of Osun State. So we have to do our work, and we are going to deliver at least our work in a very good manner, in a very good character, in a very good behavior to both men, women, youth, and every citizen of Osun.
For the sustainability of programs such as this, initiated by our president, we must ensure that our votes are cast for credible candidates who align with our faith. Let us rally together in solidarity, ensuring our collective action reflect our value and aspiration for a just, equitable society as we navigate in the road ahead. It is crucial to understand that our unwavering support for President Bola Tinubu GFR will undoubtedly encourage him to continue his benevolent initiative for Osun State and the nation at large.
I like you, bro.